Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. The final is decided. The final's result is not decided, but the final has been decided. And honestly, two of the best teams in this World Cup, the unbeaten teams of the World Cup, Australia and England, will be facing each other in the World Cup. Honestly, I feel it's going to be Australian batters versus England bowlers. That is going to decide the game. And if you look at England bowling, they have at least four of their bowlers in the top 10 ICC T20I rankings currently. So you can understand how how good they have been. The other thing is the spinners have been excellent, be it Lindsay Smith, be it Sophie Ecclestone or Charlie Dean. All three of them have been brilliant. At the other end, Australia has some brilliant batters against spin, and one of them is Phoebe Litchfield, about whom we had done straight bat analysis. And I don't think after so many episodes, I need to introduce what is straight bat. Straight bat, of course, is our technological partner who are doing fantastic job of turning all sorts of hypotheses into analytical proofs of how batting works, the bat speed, the middle of the bat, the position of the batters.
The quantifiable data.
With quantifiable data, and we are just hoping they soon come up with straight balls, straight gloves, etc., so that we can talk about bowlers and wicket keepers and fielders as well. But before that happens, let's continue with the batters, batters segment. And today again we are talking about one of the best players of spin, if I'm asked, none other than our restless Phoebe Litchfield. Super energetic, running around all the time, Phoebe Litchfield. And what are we going to talk about? So we're going to talk about Phoebe Litchfield in the West Indies match against spinners. I'll ask Orko to put up the video. Before I go about describing what this analysis is about, please remember that this is a replica of the shots. These are not real shots, the replica of the shots that were played in the West Indies match by Phoebe Litchfield. So in the in the right hand corner, you will see in the right hand the video where it said 2 runs. It's on the first and third balls of the over. The spinner bowled slightly flatter, and Litchfield, using her feet, she came down the wicket and played them for a single and a double. But then what did the spinner do? Beautifully, just shortened the length, pulled the length, bowled short of good length. And see what happens, Phoebe Litchfield completely mistimed the ball because she had to do something different. So she tried the reverse sweep, something that she practices a lot in the nets, but she tried playing the reverse sweep, missed the ball and got out LBW. And this is not the first time that Phoebe has mistimed or missed a ball which is short of good length. So England has good spinners who can utilize this, and I'll come to you about England spinners. But before that, the straight bat insights show that elite players, while playing against spin on the offside, have 6% better timing while through the covers versus towards point, because clearly it is about opening the face of the bat, and when you're trying to play towards point, you have to kind of close the bat face a little, push it as well, and there are chances of mistiming. But if you I would request Orko to put up the videos again. You can clearly see that the first 2 balls, when she is using her feet, she's very comfortable,
better position,
on a better position than when it's short of good length. England has some good spinners. Talk us through those spinners, Snehashish.
I think, as you mentioned earlier, be it Lindsay Smith, be it Charlie Dean, or be it Sophie Ecclestone, I think they have been brilliant. Not only in this tournament, I think for the last 1 year or so, I think they have been brilliant. As a unit, they are performing. And for someone like Lindsay Smith, I think in the power play, I think she has done a tremendous job. I think all these 3 spinners, the best quality of them, I think they're varying the pace. I think according to the pitch, they can vary the pace and they adjust to that pitch very quickly. And especially, they are playing at their home conditions. So it's very easy for them to get adjusted to the pitch quickly rather than
In fact, I'll go one step ahead, and I would say that I had said this before the tournament itself, because England has 3 very good spinners who are right now, I think, right at the top as far as world women's cricket is
Yes,
concerned.
yes.
That is the reason I had expected English wickets to be slower in this World Cup, not flat. Because in England, batting is still a little fragile. We saw that in
Yes, absolutely.
the semi-final as well. They lost wickets
quick
quickly.
wickets.
Exactly. But the spinners will get purchased because they have world-class spinners.
Absolutely, and when you get those kind of wickets, not only your spinners, even the pacers who can bowl slowers,
Yeah.
like Lauren Bell, and
Yeah.
even Freya Kim, the way she bowled, against
Super
South
impressive,
Africa in
yeah.
the semi-final. So I think all those bowlers will definitely come into play as well. So I think as a unit, they're looking very confident, because I think you also observed that the body language of the players when they saw that 170 target we have been managed to put up on the board, they knew as a the body language was kind of that we are confident enough that we can defend this, and eventually they did that so convincingly. So I think as you mentioned, Litchfield having some problem against the spinners regarding to be in a better position in a consistent manner. So I think regarding that, I think she can get some trouble against England spinners, especially the three spinners and three different kind of spinners.
Three different kind of
yes,
spinners.
yes,
Yes,
especially Lindsay Smith bowls a little bit flatter, a little bit more quicker maybe, and again she can slow down.
But here's the thing,
pacer as well.
Sneha, Lindsay Smith is going to bowl right at the beginning.
Yes.
And
With the new ball.
Mooney and Wall are going to play until unless you
Yes,
see one of them
yes.
get out in the first
Quickly,
over itself. Otherwise, I don't think Litchfield is getting to play Lindsay Smith at all.
At all.
She probably will
Charlie
be
Dean,
playing
maybe.
someone like Sophie Eccleston
Charlie Dean.
and Charlie Dean. Charlie Dean specifically has
Top
been
spinner.
brilliant. Charlie Dean
Yes.
with her pace, has been absolutely brilliant. So,
Out to the baseman, London Group, yes, with your respect, bang!
Yeah.
yeah, great. Super excited people. When
Impacts
you're
up.
talking about Phoebe Litchfield,
Yes.
there's some kind of energy that just
Flows around.
because before we end, a huge shout out to the straight bat team, Navneet, Gagan, and I'm sorry, I have forgotten some of the names. I'm sorry, I'm bad with names.
Everyone out there in straight.
Yeah, everyone in straight bat, I think, they are doing a fab job. And honestly, Snehashish, I love doing these videos,
Oh, yes.
these analysis. This is what we are talking all the time. So
Yes.
I love these straight bat
And I think
segments.
our viewers are also loving it.
Absolutely. Why don't you guys suggest something for the final or suggest something from the final? We'll be doing both.
Yeah.
In fact, let's open the horizon up and say, suggest something from the men's game as well. Let's do it. But it will always have to be bat. And before we end the show, because the show is on Phoebe Litchfield, you just have to enact how Phoebe searches for fielding positions,
Yes, I think it was in the India game. So we were watching the game, and after I think what in the middle overs maybe, after when the over got end, and Phoebe was searching for a position where she can go, and she was like jumping around like in a round circle. She was like jumping around and seeing where I can go, where is the vacant position I can go there and field. I don't know. I think she has some other vision, and I think the captain does that doesn't talk with her. Just let her go. You do whatever you do. I can arrange other fielders according to your position only. I don't know what is the game plan. Yeah, it is the game plan ultimately. But whatever the game plan, it has been working for Australia, working for Phoebe as well in the field at least, and she is over excited as always. I think her friends also confirmed that to us.
We met her childhood
Yes,
friends
yes,
who
yeah.
said the same thing.
Both of them confirmed as well that
Yeah.
she has been always that from childhood only.
Yeah, I would request Orko to actually put up the straight bat analysis once more and let's go through it before ending the video. If you look at the video on the right side, and my right left could be all wrong probably, but if you look at it, if you see 2 runs written above there, that's the first 2 balls where the ball was flatter and Phoebe used her feet to get down the wicket and get a single and double brilliant runner between the wicket. But when the length was shortened a little and it was short of a good length, that is when she got a little stuck, could tried a reverse sweep, got out. England spinners, I'm sure, might not see the straight bat analysis, but they have their own analysis. They have their.
They will come up with.
Yeah, but I do believe straight bat is that sort of a technology, Snehashish, that very soon you will see
Yes.
the teams implementing them.
Yes,
And when that happens, I hope Straight Bet will still be implementing. No. The jokes apart, I think Straight Bet is doing a brilliant job. But remember, these shots are the replica of the real shots that have been played. And also remember that you can, at any point, request us, to
A certain player.
a certain player,
batter.
or if you have recognized a certain pattern which you want us to discuss, please go
comment.
ahead, do like, share, subscribe, and comment what you want. Thank you so much.
Thank you.